Hey everybody, GeoArm Security here, and today I'm going to show you how to program the 2GIG-DW20R-345 wireless recess door contact into the 2GIG GC3 wireless security and home automation system using an exit entry delay 2 setting, which by default is 60 seconds. So you'll have 60 seconds when this contact is opened in order to disarm the system before it goes into an alarm. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is remove the DW20R from its packaging box. You're going to go ahead and remove the battery as well as the magnet, the instruction and installation guide, as well as the actual 2GIG recess contact. Go ahead and remove this from its clear packaging. Do the same with the actual magnet, like so. So now you're left with the magnet, which is very strong, and everything else that you see here. Go ahead and open up the instruction guide here. And it's a good idea to always just read through the instruction guide while you're doing it. Either way, maybe some of your questions will be answered there. Just as a note, for installation of this device, you'll be using an 11/16 drill bit for the door and the actual door frame. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go ahead and open up the top here on the recess contact, like that. You're going to pull the inside guts of this contact out, and you'll notice there's an area to insert the battery. You're going to take the negative end and then insert it onto the spring. It's a little tricky. You want to be careful. You don't want to damage the chip in any way. Make sure it fits on there like so. Once you have that done, you're going to insert the battery end first, and you're going to locate these little guidelines here and slide it back into place like so. Then go ahead and take the top, clip that back in there. Now your recess contact is prepared and we are ready for programming. To do that, go ahead and select the 2GIG logo in the top right. Enter in your default installer code, which is 1561. Select system configuration. Select wireless zones. Scroll down to an available zone. I'll use zone 8. Sensor type, select in the top right to begin. Click the hamburger button. We'll be doing exit entry 2. Continuing on using the down arrow. Now we'll be selecting the equipment code. It'll be 0863, or the 2GIG recess door contact. To learn the serial number, simply select learn. And go ahead and bring your contact towards the magnet and remove it. Select accept. Equipment age is new. Loop 1 is automatically registered because we automatically learned it into the panel, the serial number. Transmission delay, you can leave it enabled because it is under a delay. Voice descriptor, we'll go ahead and put it as side door. Select done. Sensor reports, you want that enabled. That means that any data that this recess contact transmits will be able to come through to our central monitoring station. You always want the sensor supervised because you want the panel constantly making sure that this contact is in range. Sensor chime, you can go ahead and assign, I'll use chime 1 with voice. You can pick whichever you like. Now that we've reached the end of the programming for this recess contact, select return to system configuration, select back, go ahead and verify your information, select save.
System disarmed, ready to arm.
Now to make sure that it is picking up, go ahead and take your contact And you'll see
Side
that it
door.
was programmed correctly. And that's how you program the 2GIG-DW20R-345 wireless recessed door contact into the 2GIG GC3 wireless security and home automation system. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page and view our blog at DIYsecurityblog.com. If you need to reach us by phone, our number is 1-877-443-6276.